It is March 28th and I am standing in the Ross's backyard right now, once again in the rain, taking pictures of the water levels and the effects of this particular rain that we're having right now on the yards, the backyard of the Ashrafis and the Ross's, and I'll quickly go over to mine as well. We are on Stirrup Court on the cul-de-sac, the Ashrafis being at 7164 Stirrup Court. I am the next door neighbor at 7165, and the Ross's at 7148, I believe. And the flooding here is just beginning. Don't know if it's going to get worse. It'll depend on the rain tonight. But I thought it important to document it. I'm going to slowly pan back and then I'll take you over to my yard. Maybe I'm quickly panning back. And you can see there the larger body of water, the flooding, is on the Ashrafi's property. Let me see if I can get a little closer. Here we go. I can get a little bit closer into the Ashrafi's property. Still standing on the Ross's property. And unfortunately there's lots of trees here between myself and the property, but you can get an idea that the levels of the water here are going up. This is all typically dry land, although I suppose it would technically, a lot of this, be labeled as wetland area. At the back there, that line of trees is 6 Mile Creek is just beyond that, those trees, which is a sensitive waterway, as you know. Alright, now let me take you over to my yard. This is just beginning to show signs of flooding. If this rain continues, it's about 4 o'clock right now on Sunday afternoon, continues, then I expect that all of this will be underwater soon. Here's the water currently flowing down between my yard and the Ashrafis in the gully. This is drainage moving down between our two lots. Moving at a pretty good clip. And my backyard. You can already see the puddles of water there starting to form. I'm actually standing in puddles of water as I quickly take you on a tour, and then beyond those evergreens there is the Ashrafi's property, which from this angle you can't see very well. So let me go. My backyard, as you can see, flooded, continuing to flood, and I'm going to take you around to another look at the Ashrafi's property. We pan over. Hear the thunder in the background. I just hope that as a town you will consider the consequences of allowing the Ashrafis to fill their property, the consequences to my yard, my home value, and the Ross's home value and their yard situation. We don't want to end up with lakes any more than we have in a heavy rain, just so that they can have 4 horses on their lot, which has always been inappropriate, 4 horses in the condition that it is. Thank you very much.